Want better ad results with Facebook? Start by setting up key events in your Facebook pixel. Use standard events for common actions like purchases and custom conversions for unique goals, like tracking express checkouts or valuable newsletter signups. Assigning value to each event helps prioritize high-impact interactions. Boost tracking accuracy by enabling advanced matching to capture details like email and phone number for more reliable attribution. Adding the Conversions API gives you even more power by syncing offline actions like in-store purchases to your pixel. Next, regularly use the Test Events tool to check event tracking on your site. Also, run diagnostics in Events Manager to quickly find and fix any tracking errors, making sure every interaction counts. Choose the right Facebook ad objective based on your goals. Traffic campaigns drive site visits, while conversion campaigns target high-value actions. Use pixel data to create custom and lookalike audiences, reaching those who are most likely to convert. Finally, review your pixel data to focus on top-performing events and experiment with dynamic ads that show personalized content to each user. Testing new audience segments or creative formats can further boost engagement and ROI. By fully optimizing your Facebook pixel, you turn it into a strategic tool for data-driven ad success. Ready to take your Facebook ads to the next level? Get started with these steps and keep refining to stay ahead.